Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And I have got a new box. And it's a good one. It's going to be a funny one. And I cannot wait to get your guys' opinions on this. Now, let me just say, when this box arrived, Greg holds it up and he goes, What is this? Where did you get this? And I'm like, just wait. I saw it, and my first thought is probably the same as what your first thought's gonna be. But then I looked into it, and I was like, wow, I actually really like some of the products. So sign me up. Let's check it out. So without further ado, the new box. It's the Senior Joy Box. It's advertised for your grandparents. It's cracking me up because I'm not a senior, but it had some really good products in it, you guys. And I was like, these are products that I think a lot of people would enjoy. Yeah, the box is targeted to seniors, but that doesn't mean not everybody can enjoy it. You know what I'm saying? So on the screen is the monthly price. It is a monthly subscription. Now, one thing that is surprising to me is how small the box is. It is very small. And for what the price is, that concerns me. Now, what I saw on the screen was items bigger than what this box is. So I don't know if just what the items are this month are small. I sure like to think that's what it is, because for the price point, this is not a box that, if this doesn't knock me off my socks or knock me out of my socks, I just can't see keeping it for the price point. But let's get into it. Now, there's a piece of Scotch tape right there. That's odd, right? I just noticed that. Like, I've never seen a box just with a piece of tape. I guess if it's meant for seniors, if it was a sealed box, that might be more difficult for them to get into. Your love, I don't know, more than you know. I think that is a very nice sentiment. Think of this, if your grandparent is opening this, that would be very nice for them. Wouldn't they really enjoy that? So, okay, so we got a card right here that talks about what's inside. So we're going to push it aside. We don't want it to give away anything. So let's see, what do we have, and is it worth the money? All right, so the first item is from Endorphin Foods. It is cherry amaretto. That sounds delicious. It is 70% cacao, 26% coconut, 4% cherry and almond. It is a chocolate bar sweetened with coconut sugar and caramelized coconut butter. It is a 1.4 ounce, and it is a plant-based chocolate alchemy. All right, let's see. To craft this bar, we grind down whole tart cherries into molten chocolate using artisanal stone grinders until the texture is lusciously smooth and indistinguishable from our single origin Ecuadorian dark chocolate base. To complement the bright and fruity flavor of fresh real cherries, we add a few drops of almond oil, the traditional flavoring of European confectionery delights like marzipan and almond cakes. That sounds really good. So real food ingredients: cacao, coconut sugar, cacao butter, caramelized coconut butter, tart cherry, dried cherries, dextrin, essential oil of bitter almond. No dairy, no soy, no refined sugar, no gluten, no GMO, and no sugar alcohol. Let's open it. Call me very, very interested in this. So, okay, so it definitely, with it being a 70% cacao, it smells a lot darker than I would be expecting. And I'm not a huge dark chocolate fan. It's growing on me. But so here was just a portion of the bar. There's another half of what I took out in here. Let's try. Mmm. 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 Wow. Okay. First impressions. It's very dark chocolatey. I'm not a fan of dark chocolate. So that right there is just not for me. You get a punch of that tart cherry. It really punches you more than I thought. So this just isn't for me because I just don't like the flavoring in the palate. It just doesn't do things for my palate. However, my husband loves dark chocolate. So I'm going to get him to try this. I bet, you know what? I bet he's going to love it. So first impressions, that's a cool item, right? I've never came across that before. And even though it's not for me, I'm only one person. So let's see what else is in here. Next, we got 100%, I'm not going to say this right. Is it Manku honey? It is a lip rescue made and from New Zealand. So it says, nourish and protect your lips with this gentle yet intensive natural balm, pure MGO 200 plus Manku honey, beeswax, and calendula flower deeply replenish dry, rough lips, keeping them soft and smooth. Okay. This is so like a grandparent's, right? They love chocolate. They would probably love something nice for their lips. All right, I have lipstick on, but it didn't smell like honey. I don't know, but yeah, 100% natural. So this is something probably going to Greg too, because he doesn't like having chapped lips. And he's always like, do you have chapstick? Do you have chapstick? And I'm like, no, I don't have chapstick. So Greg actually is going to be benefiting from the box so far. So there we go. So this so far, I think it's a great curation pulled together for your grandparent or a senior family member. So let me keep digging in here. All right. Oops. So now it looks like we got some jewelry here. Let's open this. Okay. So it is a necklace, Robin Rhodes. Okay, it says, do not expose your Robin Rhodes piece to harsh chemicals such as perfume, salt water, pool chlorine, or any household cleaning liquids. To clean, gently use a clean, soft polishing cloth. Please keep your jewelry dry as much as possible. So what this is, you're probably like, why aren't you showing? I'm almost there. This is a fuchsia jade healing. So this must be a jade fuchsia stone. Yes. So a stone. Okay, hold on. So what this is, it's fuchsia jade healing plus meaning. So it says stone that is a heart opener to love, compassion, and emotional renewal. Okay, so here it is. There's the necklace. And it's in the shape of a heart. It's kind of little, there it's a little bit better to see. The light does shine through it. I don't know if you're able to see much, but there it is. I mean, the quality's okay. It's nothing to like write home about. I'm not familiar with this stone, but we do have a pamphlet here that's going to give us more information. So hang tight, but that is our other item. And then we have one last item in here. This is Malibu Apothecary. All right. All right, so St. Bart's. It is a perfume oil, frangipani, and amberwood. Malibu Apothecary. Let's see here, 15 mils. And it says St. Bart's. Escape to St. Bart's with this warm, sensual floral fragrance. Sparkling Sicilian mandarin and bergamot meet warm saffron and ginger, invoking an island breeze. Rose and frangipani bloom in the heart, while vanilla musk and amberwood leave a sun-kissed trail of warm sophistication. So let's smell rollerball. Okay. Very strong. Very strong. However, it is something that I think is grandparentish, if that makes sense. Way too strong for me. However, I do think, just thinking about so my older family members, I do think they would like this scent. I do, because similar to perfumes scents that they've worn. So there we go. Now let's check out this card, because I'm interested in learning more about this necklace. So it says, what's inside what's inside Happy Hearts box. So here's the card. So the necklace, Robin Rhodes Jewelry Fuchsia Jade Heart Necklace. It is hand carved labradorite and fuchsia jade heart necklace. It is designed to bring beauty, intention, and a meaningful pop of color. Now, I do not know anything about this brand. I don't know anything about this stone. I can't really assess the value of that. Now, the necklace, like the actual necklace piece, it's not great. I mean, yeah. But the actual stone itself, I can't speak to. I don't know. Now, we've got the Lip Rescue. We've got the Apothecary, and I'm trying to look to see if there's anything else on here that I haven't already said. Let me see here on the back. So on the back, there is February Fun Facts. Hard to read the gold lettering. It says February Fun Facts, February and Time. February is the only month that can have no full moon. I didn't know that. It's the shortest month of the year, even in leap years. In leap years, February has 29 days, a traditional dating back to Julius Caesar, okay? Many cultures once considered February the month, well, hold on. Many cultures once considered February the last month of the year. That's interesting. And then we go through symbols of February and then celebrations in February, Groundhog Day, Valentine's Day, and if February is the American Heart Month, encouraging heart healthy habits. Okay, well, what are my thoughts? So is this a box for me? No. I was very interested because, like I said, items that I had seen in examples of the box, I'm like, oh, I'm very interested in that. So I'm glad I tried it. I'm glad I checked it out. This is not, I mean, this isn't a me box. Now, it is not meant for me. It's a senior box. So what are my thoughts about, would this be a box to get for a relative? You know, if you are looking for a birthday gift or something just to brighten up someone's day, 100% could I see buying this box. Because I love getting these boxes. So if my grandmother or my aunt, like my mother, if she just gets a box out of the blue, it doesn't really matter what's in it. She's just going to like that, the thought that it crossed my mind to order it or that I thought of them. So that I think is a good thing. The second thing, chocolate. They're going to love that. This lip balm, I think they're going to love that. The perfume, I do think it is a perfume that other people would like. Now this necklace, again, like I said, I don't know the stone. I don't know the brand. It's very difficult for me to really assess that. But again, it's a thought that counts. Do I think someone would wear this? 100%. Heck, this would even be pretty me wearing it today. That's not in question. It's just, I don't, you know, it's not a piece that you're going to be able to wear all year. I don't think it's going to, this chain's not going to hold up. But is it something that I could wear and it would look pretty? It is. So all in all, I do think this is a good one-off box to gift someone. Is it worth this price point to get every single month? I think it's just too expensive to do that. But as a one-off and a gift, I think it's a great idea. I really do. So, okay, well, that wraps up another unboxing. Thank you, as always, for tuning in and watching. And if you guys have any questions about the box that I haven't answered or you want to know more, let me know and I can share what I can find. Or you could just look it up online. It's the Senior Joy Box. So, all right, you guys, take care. Bye.